which I have.
Yeah. And in fact, you can't go out now. Like there is no such lawn or any such garden.
Yes, yes, yes. Everywhere it is polluted, No, you cannot. Yeah,
Yeah.
We are
please.
live.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you everyone for coming on this beautiful Saturday evening. Welcome to this show, 19th edition of NET Talks, NET Talks. Okay. Right. Today we have Shailesh. Shailesh, a very different kind of artist, I must say. After seeing a trial presentation with him, I started doubting whether I am engineer or he is engineer, or whether he is artist, art, engineering, sculpting, drawing, everything mixed all in one. Okay, so I think all of you can expect a scintillating show of his machines. If I introduce him, he belongs to a very small village in Karnataka near Shimoga, near Kollur. And he told me there are only 4 families living in that village, his being one. And he took up a career of studying Sanskrit and the Hindu rituals for quite some time, a significant part, over a decade of his life. And then I think he found his life in art and went to Kawa, Mysore, did his graduation, from there to Baroda to do his master's, and now here he is to present his works. Welcome, Shailesh. A warm welcome to you.
Welcome, Shailesh.
Welcome, Shailesh.
I think you people are hearing me in a proper way.
Yeah.
Yeah, shall we start or we need some small introduction or something like that?
No, you just start. You just give us a small, what do you call that?
Okay.
About your preoccupations.
Yeah, myself, Shailesh BR. I am from actually Karnataka. Now I am living in Delhi. I studied bachelor's in 2 places. One like foundation in Davangere for 2 years, then for 3 years in Kawa, Mysore. Then I joined the Baroda. Before that, I studied more than 14 years in Sanskrit. Before I was a priest. After that, now I feel like I can be artist. I don't know exactly what I am now. Yeah, that's it. Like I did my master's in 2015 I finished. So later I joined, I came Delhi and I settled here for now I don't know exactly. I'm going back also for my hometown to settle there. So I will start with some work which I have started doing machines because in my village we recently got the electricity in 2014 something we got the electricity.
Really?
yeah. That's why till now in my home we have 3 bulbs, only the 3 bulbs. You can imagine one in the small kitchen and one in the middle room and one in the outside. We don't have LED and all these stuff still now. So when I came to study Sanskrit in Mysore, in that time I really got surprised with all these big machines. So what is this? How it's working? In our life, we have all the machines, cleaning the teeth and cleaning the tongue, for everything we have machine now. So in my village we don't have machine, everything made in the hand and like that. So I in my 4th year I started doing some small experiment because I was bit lazy, I think, because my first machine was again spinning wheel, but I converted the gym wheel into the spinning wheel. So I will start with that. I called that is Gandhi Chowkdi, because I got that idea in the Gandhi Square. In Mysore we have one circle, so it's called Gandhi Circle. Every city have the Gandhi Circle. Yeah. So my teacher told me okay, you people have to work with the carton. So that's why they given the surgical carton. So I thought what I had to do with this surgical carton. I don't know exactly what I have So then I realized, okay, I can make the thread. Also, like my teacher is always like scolding me to like, you are not like sitting one side, so you are always roaming around. Your work is like somewhere else. You are like roaming around. So that's why he told like you had to sit 5 days in one corner to do work with the surgical carton. So then I realized no, it's not happening with me, because so just okay, I will finish one drawing in one like 10 minutes, then I will start again something else. So that's why for me this is a kind of exercise also. After that, I started beginning with the real machine, because it's called drawing machine. I will go through the video later, I think, also. So I will start with this Gandhi Chowkdi. Uh, yeah. People are like seeing the images.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, okay. So then I will start. This work is called Gandhi Chowkdi. I use the gym cycle. I think everyone know the gym equipment. In the earlier time, it was like this. Now I think it's completely changed. But at the same time, the Atlas did that like gym wheel in earlier. So now at the same time we have the Atlas cycle also. When like in the childhood we have the very small cycle without the gear.
Yeah.
And it's from the Atlas company. So that's why like I took this old cycle and I removed the everything excess part, and I use I think you people can see the cursor, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So in this corner they attach with like meter, like how many kilometer you are like cycling, but you are staying in one place, but you are cycling. So that's why this meter connectivity is there. So I altered this meter connectivity and I started like making some threads from the surgical carton. But it's very difficult, because what happens when you use surgical carton is completely beaten the carton, because there is no dust in the surgical carton, because it's get infection. That's why the surgical carton is a pure cotton kind of thing. Not in the cotton pure, but it's a kind of like pure for the surgical thing. So if you are like making thread, it's too difficult to like get the long threads from this pure cotton. So I started doing from first day. So maybe it went it went too difficult to like find the complete thread. So I made the drawings. It's called black thread drawings. So I'm just connecting this thread into the like Khadi movement and all these things. So in finally I got this one test tube I kept in the top. I think you can see I put the pure thread format, because I did the real like small thread out of all this. This is all like errors. So how I got, and in the top like I got the real like thread. And I did in like 8 days. This is all like 8 days performance, and at the same time sculpture and kinetic work, whatever we can call. But in that time, I don't know how to call this. So just I titled and I displayed everything with the drawing and with the sculpture and with the machine, and at the myself also, like I'm sitting and I'm doing the like kind of performance, but I never call like I'm doing performance also. But later, like in some of my work, I have this performance quality also. This according to the like which kind of like work I'm doing. So then after this, my final work is like final in the sense like the bachelor's final work is called like a drawing machine. Yeah. So in this drawing machine, I think I started doing some drawings, like how the drawings and how the lines is very important, because this thread is like always inspired me in a very particular way, because it's the like at the same time it's the line and the stripe, and when you're like tying it, it will become round. So that's why I called like the no line is straight line, because the word is round. Because if you start like putting something in the straight. So when it ends, then maybe the word is round. That's why like the line is also become round. So I made this statement. So, but I don't know exactly like how it works. Also the like light and everything the goes straight. So I have all these like inspiration from beginning because I don't know what exactly science says because I studied only the 10th in the like after like my Sanskrit graduation directly I joined the 10th class and I passed in like 54-55%. So I don't know exactly like what science says or what social political says, like whatever it is, what exactly math says, I don't know. But my maths, my science, and my social political things are like very simple and basic grounded. And also I talk always about the very basic things. I never think about like I want to say something through the art or something. So these drawings are for the again for this drawing machine. So I think I feel like all the like who are all making a lot of these kind of like kinetic work, these people are these artists are makes first drawing machines. Like if you are seeing the Jan Tangli work, I think Sujit told me once like when like he was in the Basel for the residency, I was also in the Basel. So he told, oh, just go and visit the Tangli Museum first. So I went and I went more than 7 times to see his work because in my like class, like we never read the Tangli works, but he's the amazing guy in 1950s. He did a lot of drawing machines and machines. He's the Dada movement guy. So his work is really inspired me to like make a lot of work. Also at the same time, like you can see the like rural background and rural areas machine also. I think if you are seeing in Kerala, I think they have particular machine for like, okay, if you are seeing the like removing the coconut, a lot of people are inventing in the machines now. That is, it's kind of rural machines. It's not the global machine because everyone is not using that machine. So that kind of like mechanics I like. It's a very raw and at the same time very basic element they use to like do with, because in my hometown now they started doing some small machines to like remove the arak nuts. So it's a tall tree and the small machine is going and removing the arak nut and it's coming back, and everyone have now so these kind of machines. So that idea I started like doing some idea, like this is also the sketch for that machine. So just you can see the drawings how it works. Yeah, this is the machine. What I did in my childhood, I never played with the remote car. So what I did, I took the remote car and I altered that in the small box, and I put the, I think you can see these 3 holes here. One is here and one is here and one is here. So I just put the like pencil or like sketch pen and I started playing. So when the car is moved, the line is started like coming out. Because this is the exam work. My teacher told you had to sit and you had to do drawing continuously till 8 days. Because in our time the exam is 8 days. So I felt I am completely fucked up because if I am doing like drawing 8 days, maybe it won't exist. So I never sit for like 8 days to do drawings. So I thought, okay, so I have to sit somehow in the exam hall. So I have to do something. So I chosen the like main hall of the our college. And I told, okay, I will start drawing here. So I modify the remote car. It's the toy car, just the toy car. So I put the cell and I started playing. It started making round and round lines. So this is my actual like first moving machine kind of thing. So maybe I will show you the video like how it works. People are getting this video. Okay. There is no sound, so you don't have to worry about this sound. So I removed the canvas and the like exam sheet from the like the stretcher. So I pasted in the ground. So I started playing in the top of the like canvas, and at the same time 10 sketch, because we have to submit 10 sketch in the exam. So this is final like exam hall, and at the same time final exam submission, whatever we can call it. So this machine is like worked very well, and people started coming, and like it's I can call this is my exam work, but my teacher also played, and all the student played in this exam hall. So that's why it's the kind of like interactive work. So people played and enjoyed the idea of like how it works. So this is my first machine, and then I started thinking about the machine, like how I am doing, and why I am doing all these machines. So then I did the machine, the proper machine. It's called the philosophy machine, because I joined the Baroda, like this is the master final year machine, and bachelor's and master, the final year I did the two like pure machine format machines. So this is 2015 in Baroda, the final display I did the machine is called the philosophy machine, because when I joined the Baroda, then I started thinking about like what I studied, what is my background, and how I have to like approach the idea and all these. Like I think Baroda people really know like how to like articulate. Before that, I don't know that articulation. So I just played what I want. Then like slowly I started like Vasa sir told like, okay, you have to do this and you have to think like this, because you have like you got some knowledge from the ancient script. So how you can like think that in the art field. So this philosophy machine I called because I think all the time I studied philosophy and I listened to philosophy, but I never seen the philosophy directly. So once I think you people know the K.V. Subbanna is the theater guy. When I am studying in like I'm in the Hegoda also, like he's the theater guy, K.V. Subbanna. He's like 98 Max's winner or something like that. So he always told like in our village everyone is Shakespeare, but they never write. So it means like you can see the Shakespeare's in village also, but they never register their ideas or their dramas or their thoughts. So the means like everyone is equal. I think like everyone is like have the marks, or everyone have this Ambedkar idea, whatever like we are calling. So but we never write exactly, but we read and we just apply in this. So I thought like, okay, the philosophy is everywhere then. So I know my philosophies and everyone knows their philosophy. So if I say my philosophy in the art, so then how I can say my philosophy? So I thought I can make the machine to tell the philosophy. Though I took the like Shankaracharya's one like philosophical line. It's called Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam, like again birth and again death, like death. So I just thought, okay, this is like line, and this is like how they told. Okay, like we don't know, but if in case if it's come to in the like physical format, then how it happens? So the philosophy machine is also like that. So I will show you the video, and then maybe I think you can see the death and birth in both in one way. Yeah, this is called philosophy machine. The same like lamp is like getting on in one side and getting off in another side. So again, I have like the small another idea because in Baroda, like in first time 2012, uh, I celebrated my birthday like with the cake and with the candles. So I never like off the candle in my birthday. I don't know how to off these candles and how to cut the cake and all these funny ideas. And in that time also I don't know this idea called like the plum cake because Christmas like have this particular cake is called plum cake. So I thought that is not a plum cake. I called that is the slum cake because I felt that is slum cake. It looks black and it looks messy. So I felt like it's very like slum people are like making this cake for the gods. So that's why the cake is called slum cake. So that idea and cake and the birthday, everything is came together, and at the same time, death and birth at the philosophies is came in the one machine. So I did this machine like this is the later version, but before that is very raw. But I don't have that image in that time because we don't know in that time to like how to like document all these ideas. So this is like 2017. I reproduced this machine in the Vadera show. So this is philosophy machine. Yeah, this is how installed in the like gallery space. So in the down like it's a big wheel like 26 light and it's continuously coming out. I faced a lot of problems like because it's the again kerosene lamp. So the lot of like smell and like uh, what like duak bolte hai na the pata nahi what
Security
so,
issue. Security issue.
smoke.
Yeah, smoke.
Yeah, smoke because like in the small room, the kerosene lamp
Yeah,
have
yeah.
particular smoke because I experienced that smoke in my home. So that smoke like started coming in the gallery. So then we don't know how to handle.
Yeah, it's
So then
continuous.
we opened the main like one wall in the big hole and we put the exhaust fan so it's continuously making sound. That sound is the machine sound and the vacuum sound. So this machine have like at the same time because what happened like if you are producing some artwork like if you are making some artwork you need money and like, a lot of people know like how art materials and these sculpture things are expensive like at the same time if you are engineer you know how to like if you are buying the machine like very less rpm whatever like it costs heavy. So I started making drawings because like if I am not able to do this machine, so at least in the drawing I can like express myself, the machine. So after that I displayed this drawings also in front of the machine. This is how I always display the machine in front of that the whole drawings. At the same time like how the architectural people will do. So they will make 2D format in the blueprints and they will like make the big house so you can see somehow like okay this is house and this is how it works. So I started using these drawings to make like how the people are coming. I think in this down if some people can see like small drawings, I don't have detail how people are coming and how people are like seeing my machines, why I made the machine and what is the philosophy behind the machine. So I registered every like thing like a like diary. It's a kind of daily rituals. Like I call myself doing drawing is kind of daily rituals for me. Like you can see the priest, like every day he's going to temple and he's like doing pujas. And at the same time, every artist, every day he's going to studio and he's doing drawings. So it means is the both are the same, like they are worshipping their like ideas and the like drawings. So that's why the like every if I am doing drawings, it means like I'm doing ritual in the like ritualistic manner. So this is how the like drawings are. Like I think I can show some drawing detailed drawings. Like I have some detailed drawings. So this is how I think you can see how the machine can come. I have like 5-6 versions of machine here, but I'm able to produce in the only one version because a lot of technical problems will come when you are like making sculptures. So the drawing have that kind of access to like explore everything. Like you can draw whatever you want, but in the power and the machine, you can't do whatever you want. So you have some restricted like area. So this is how the drawings are like. At the same time, I started using the old paper because this is also very matters for my work. Like all the works are made in the old paper. I think this left side paper is like more than 70, 80 years old. My grandfather wrote the text. Till now, we don't know exactly that Kannada writing. People are not like writing now because it's called old Kannada, Hale Kannada. So I started thinking like, okay, like if I am using the white paper and if I am using the old paper, what the difference? Maybe for me, like it's the kind of choice, that's it. But at the same time, I felt now because I'm not able to like draw in the white paper till now because it's like I feel like, oh, this is very clean and very neat. Like I'm not able to do something. Like when I see the wallpaper, okay, it's already fata hua hai, already it's gone. So maybe इसमें मैं कुछ भी करूँगा तो no problem, no. So otherwise, if you get the good paper, like if you buy the Kenson, then if उसको तोड़ना है, so then maybe you feel, oh, maybe it's raining heavily here. If something happens, neck connection, so sorry, but I don't know only
Okay.
because it's heavy rain
Okay.
in Delhi. So this is the idea. So that's why I started using the old paper. It's nothing to do with like, okay, I want to use and I want to create the like ancient text or something like that. It's not like that. It's a simple way, like it's a kind of choice. So this is like how, again, I started writing in the old paper in English. So recently I started working with the like palm leaf, I think you know. So now I started typing on the palm leaf because palm leaf are always carved. So I took the typing machine and I started typing on palm leaf like it's a completely like ancient material and with like again like some new idea. So it's a contemporary style. I don't know, but how I did, like just imagine it here. Everything is written by my grandfather, but in the top of like the English, so it's written by me. And at the same time, my English is also like that because I never studied in the convent school, so I don't know English. So my spellings are always very bad, and my grammar is completely gone. So once what happened, like I wrote something like ash about this machine. So Indro sir, I think Baroda people know the teacher. Like he came, Shailesh is really bad. So what happens? Like you wrote ass. It's not ash. It's the ass. So at least some spelling you have to like think. Yes, sir. I know. I'm agree with this thing, but I don't know. For me, ass and ash is like same spell. It's very something else is come. So I kept it raw like that only. Like I never felt okay. Like it's my language and it's my expression. So if you can understand, then maybe you can read. Otherwise, you can like think as in like it's a composition. Like that's why Shailesh wrote the text. So yeah, this is how the drawings journey. At the same time, then maybe again this how the object is inspired me. Like how if in case if you off the bulb, then if it's become black, if it's possible. So because I don't know, it not happens. It looks white always, the bulb. So and this is another machine. It's called tongue machine. Like because after coming Baroda, I started talking too much. Like now I am talking again too much. No, so before that I'm like very quiet and I'm not saying anything. So this machine I did in the same purpose because this blah 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 thing is happening in the art field. Like everyone is like, oh, you have to talk, otherwise people can't understand like what exactly it is. So this machine is called just tongue machine. That's it. Is the second version of tongue machine. So that's why tongue 2. So
Yeah.
it's coming now. just is licking the wall. So
What is that tongue? What is the
it's a
medium?
rubber, just
Rubber,
I took a rubber mold and I made the tongue because I did like very different kind of like, I think you know the another thing I didn't tell this. I never created the machine. That's the again problem. Like I create the machine because I use the machine because this is the car wiper. I manipulated this car wiper into the licking machine and I manipulated a lot of these kind of like once I made the Samudra Mantana, I manipulated the washing machine. I made the rainbow machine. I manipulated again the wiper because you can see like if you want to use. So you don't have to create the machine. You will get a lot of machine. Then you can just use that machine in a very different way. And like this is the exact car wiper. You can see here I cut the another wings. Like here the wiper handle will come. So I just turned out and I made just, okay, this is like how it looks. So the idea is like tongue, I felt, okay, like I have to like use in a very different. So I thought like I make a big tongue and I will put directly into the wall, then it will leak the wall. So, but it's not happened. So that's why I made the miniature format of this leaking machine. So it's just leaking. And again, I have very like crude story and very ugly story behind this leaking machine also. Look, I don't want to tell that story, like because all these stories happens in the like my with the classmate and people are saying because I don't know that. So this conversation is always made me okay. तेरे को ये पता नहीं है? अरे यार ये होता है. So that kind of idea is like always like inspired me to work. So okay, ये इसको मैं इसमें बना के छोड़ दूंगा, then छोड़ दो क्या होगा देखेंगे. So this is kind of like idea like behind my all the work. So this again like I have like two different like this is the one first format and that is the second format. So I have like I installed like 20 tongues. It's just going left and right. It means like this is doing like this. It's not have the sound. So
how do you decide the scale of the work? You know, how do you decide that?
Yeah, that is another biggest problem to like understand.
Yeah, because it could have been done it in a life size also, right? Like
yeah, the tongues are little bit life size. I went like just imagine the Brahmin like spiritual guy is going to meat shop. It's the first time I went to butcher's shop to get the goat tongue. No, I have one drawing. It's called goat tongue because someone told, okay, तुम्हारा टंग से तो मोल्ड नहीं निकाल सकता, तो एक काम कर बकरे का टंग ले. So then I thought, okay, चलो निकलते हैं तो देखेंगे बकरा कैसे काटते हैं. So I went the like butcher shop in Baroda. So it's just the tongue is very small. Huh? So I felt okay. So this is very like I took the tongue and I kept it in like my studio. It's got like completely warms and everything. It's got smells. So a lot of people scold me like, what the hell you are doing exactly? So I thrown that and I made the tongue with the clay. So that I used. I felt I want to use tongue as in myself, like my like mera tongue kitna bada hai. But it's not happened. So the sculpture format is just happened because of this scale. I don't know exactly which scale. So then one tongue I made, then I decided, okay, it looks very small. So that's why I made like 30 tongues. This is the 30th tongue I installed in one place. I think in the earlier one installation place, like I will show that also. Yeah, I think you can see like how this is the same machine, how the installed in a 3 level. So, but it's all just in the spontaneous way. Like I never thought like, okay, I want to do this or I want to do that. But later, a lot of people added the ideas in their like conversation. Just imagine Suresh sir came and he started talking about this tongue and he told that ye thoda niche hona chahiye. Niche in the sense like it's the flatness is like this. If you are doing like this, then you can easily connect this idea into the like okay Kali Jaban. ये सब है ना काली माता का जो जबान है वो नीचे है. So I felt oh yeah it just I never felt because but this idea came maybe unconsciously in my mind because I always decorated the Kali Ma in like my like earlier time in the temple. So uska jaban dekh ke mere ko laga ki jaban karna hai, but exactly I don't know. I don't want to connect. Okay, mere ko ye pata tha isliye maine aisa kiya. Aisa nahi tha, but it came in the very spontaneous way. But it's happened and it's ended in again the. So after that I just थोड़ा नीचे किया उस टग को, then इसके बारे में बात होना शुरू हुआ. So
Shailesh, there's a question like, what is the material?
the rubber, and at the same time the top the direct teeth from the dentist. So most probably I just collect the materials and I assemble the material. So I am not creating anything, just I am assembling. So it's a kind of mechanic. I'm not a like engineer. So you told in earlier like he is the engineer or I am the engineer. So you are the engineer, I am just mechanic. Huh? So you can call Shailesh is the mechanic. So this how it happened. Then the how I displayed the drawing in front of the machine. So I think here you can see one small, but
Are you able to see the chat, Shailesh?
No, wait, stop.
नहीं ना?
Chart 8, हाँ एक मिनट. सतीश.
एकदम नीचे, last one.
Neha Mehra, you should have tried buffalo tongue. Oh wow! But in Baroda, I think they never cut the buffaloes. Huh? These are very difficult. If buffalo comes, is the beef. If I am in Kerala, I think I can use the like because my another one work. So it have the cow tail. But
Sneh is also from Baroda, so I think she will be knowing where is it getting cut.
yeah, okay. But in
It's-
Baroda, because I never had like I never eat non-veg in that time. So for me, like it's very difficult because I'm taking standpoint very slowly. Like it's like I never like as an activist way. Like I will start and I will oppose everything. I will oppose according to my like strength. Because for me, like going first time to like cutting in front of the like bakri is also a very big step. But I never like noticed that now I can see like okay, but I never tried how to cut also. But if you are saying the buffalo tongue, maybe it may be a big one. So
It resembles very much like a human tongue. That's why I said
what?
it resembles very much like a human tongue, actually.
Oh, okay. Then it's nice.
That's true. That's true. Even
I
I'm
am succeed with making sculpture. I'm very weak to make sculpture. So
Nothing of a revolting situation. Just it was very much resemblance. It have very much resemblance. So I said.
okay.
yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's it. Like it came like again, like how the idea is came. So this is the drawings again, like how I make the drawings before the doing sculpture. So I will go like again. I thought like if we have the bone in the tongue, then what happens? Because again, that is the phrase, no? हमारे जबान में कुछ ये नहीं है क्या? Bone नहीं है. So that's why it will like move around. So it can say anything. So that also I felt, and also this hit me toy aata hai. Like if you are hitting and it will come back. The same mechanism in the left side, like I made with the tongue, so it never fell down. Because if you like in the debate, if you are saying something just no, like I can agree, but I am not agreeing. Like I'm like again debating. Okay, I want to make this. So that's how the tongues will work. So yeah. So this is the same drawings, and again I connected like I called E is equal to MC square. Like I connected like Newton and at the same time the Einstein, both, because Newton got this apple in the top of the head, then that's why he realized the gravity, and like at the same time the Einstein like have the funny face of this out tank. So I felt okay, if in case Newton के जो Einstein के जो head में apple गिरा होता, तो that's why like he can like take out the tongue out. So that these kind of some small illustrate quality also have in my work, because it's all illustrated in my agenda. It's not pure like in the abstract art manner, but at the same time, it's the kind of illustration of my thoughts.
And there are 3 E's.
Yeah, I think E, I suppose, you know, like it's the funny way. E.
Okay.
So that's why I put the 2 extra E's. E. The cheese, when you are like taking the portraits, or like when you are taking the photograph, then E. Yeah, that's why, like cheese, like a lot of like different ideas will come, like how the
Okay, good.
That's nothing to do with triple E. Huh? Energy is, I think you can see energy is much more than the E. Like 3 E's and means 3 energies. So this is again like how the object, like with the tongue, like just see like how the tongue is, and if you are using the tongue cleaner, that also looks like a tongue, like the shape of the object. Like if you keep it in like this looks like tongue again. So yeah, same balloon and tongue, whatever. Like it's just have a lot of funny characters and the PP. So yeah, and after this, like again, another machine is called Kshiradhara, means like milk thread. So I produced the 3 machines. Maybe I will show one video of this machine, and maybe first I will show the 3 like sculpture and then video. So this is just rubbing with the 3 object. One is like cow kind of thing, and one is the sandalwood, and one is the wax. Like this is the 3 machines. So I think you people seen the image, and I will go with the how it works. Like it's one machine have all the, like one video have all 3 machines working. Like just imagine, it's very simple mechanism, but again, this is in the 2017. Yeah, I think everybody saw the video. I think, yeah.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So yeah, this is how the like 3 machines, like again rubbing themselves. Like if we are going to talk a lot of things in like this way, like maybe it will take one day to complete. So I will go to the next slide. Maybe if they have any question, then maybe again the story behind, and again the like drawings. So this is how the drawing is like. So you can see the drawing. So next work is called the page turner. So I produce this is the recent machine I made with a lot of like real mechanisms, like real mechanism in the sense controllers and Arduinos and the stepper. And I think the engineers know this language. I don't know this language, but you have to write and you have to instruct the machine. Oh, you ye karo, ye mat karo. So this kind of instruction you have to give it to the machine. So this is called the page turner. We have 30
Shailesh, it's a question to mention the material in the previous work probably.
Yeah, okay. So this is just the sculpture of the cow. So from the top, the milk is dripping. So this like cow is rubbing. And at the same time, this is the exact red and white sandalwood, and water is dripping, and you have to rub the sandalwood. I think in temple, people are rubbing the sandalwood. This is the whole idea, like with the hand. So I converted that machine, and this is with the honey and the wax hand. So as a maskamar. So that's it. So I can say this the why the cow and why the sandalwood and why the hand. So we have one Sanskrit shloka. It's called like Chinnopi chandana tarhu najahati gandham kruddopi vapanapatir najahati labam yantrato madhratam najahati chekshu kshinopi natyajati shila gunan kulina. But again, this is completely abstract. So what is the idea is like if you are putting the sugar cane into the machine, that will give you the sweetness. And if you are putting the if you are putting something in the machine, it maybe get like lost, no? But the like sugarcane is not doing like this. It's the kind of like like a Vedantic or philosophical thought process, but I converted into the current situation in 2017 because the people are using cow as in their political standpoint, not for real concern. They never concerned about the cow. They just talk about like, okay, cow is like gau mata, whatever it is. But कहीं रास्ते में जाके वो प्लास्टिक खा रहा है या उसको खाना मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है, nobody is cared about that. Just they care about like, okay, this is our like mata, so nobody have to cut this. So the concern is completely different. So that's why I use the three machine. One is like the kind of physicality, because our physicality is like losing here in the backside is like just हम मस्का मार रहे हैं, हम lose कर रहे हैं हमारा myself. So and one is the mentality. Like mentality is the cow. So cow is also again the rubbing in the certain way. But the thing is like we don't have the concern, but it's in the just only in the mental. Like okay, like this is ours. It's a kind of like sadness for us to like think. Okay, if really you have concern, then maybe keep 2 cows in the house and usko khana de do अच्छे से. Like you can do whatever. So, but nobody have concern. Like if someone is like taking the cow, then they feel okay. Oh, ये तो गाय काटने लेके जा रहा है. So this kind of idea. But at the same time, if we like, I face the big problem in this work. And when the like in my exhibition, Sheikh Bhai came and he told like, तेरे को मार पड़ेगा. Like yeah, he's a funny. Sometimes like he told like yeah, of course maybe मेरे को मार पड़ सकता है. Because like I am like I have to handle this idea like where I am talking these ideas. Like if I am talking this idea in the like some like completely in the, because my like whole family and my friend circles are like completely right wing guys. Like they feel like okay, शैलेश को गाय के बारे में सच्चा बता रहा है. Like he never talk, like he is not monking this. So I think you can censor this also if you are putting in the Facebook. So this happens. Like I'm not afraid about this, but yeah, whatever. Like what I did, that is like I told. So yeah, so maybe we'll go this like again. It will go more.
बेस क्या है पूछ रहे हैं उसका?
Huh?
बेस material.
It is from the Chakki. So this is a particular format from the Baroda, Gujarat. So they have this Chakki like आपको ये क्या wheat या rice को पीसने के लिए ये इसके ऊपर 2 पत्थर को रख के पीसते हैं. इसका this is the base. That's it. So I just took that base and I just displayed. So yeah. Again, this is Rehal, like Vyaspeech जो बोलते हैं. So इसके ऊपर हम book रख के so people are reading. So I felt this reading is becoming mechanical nowadays because the holy text reading is we are not concerned about like what is the written in the text, what is the behind the text. We are just turning the pages in every religion and every thought. Like we are just turning the pages. Just imagine if we like the artists are turning the pages, it may look something different because we have some images and we have some like histories behind the images. We know that. But if you are reading the like holy books, so very few images, but you don't know what exactly it is. If you are taking the Quran and if you are taking the Bhagavad Gita, you don't see the images like if he can understand like what he's saying. But the images is like always in the single way, but the text is completely deeper and deeper. But people are just turning the pages. So I made the machine just is the machine is turning the pages. It will turn each pages. So I recent show I produced the 10 machines because we are 30 students in the Sanskrit. We are just turning the pages in that time. I felt I really tell I don't know what I read in that time. Now I started like re-looking into the text. So what exactly? So that's why the like I just produced 10 machines and like it means like they're all my friends now. So everyone is like that. So how I installed this. So behind the drawings about the books and the like Brahminism, whatever it is, this show is called The Last Brahmin. I think I can share the link of the show. Then later maybe people can look at what exactly it is. So I will show you the machine, like how it works. And try to record. सर्वर आता है ऊपर को फ्लैट yeah, maybe it's a long video. I think people can see the motion, no? Yeah, okay. So I will go further into this slide. Again, next machine. So this is the drawing of the page turner. Again, I did like this. A small guy is carrying paper and some Brahminical images and some like just I started like experimenting with like some small abstraction and all these like ideas how the drawings are. And this is the 2015 project I finished in 2020. It's called the prayer machine, I think, puja machine. I think we know the puja, like how the temple is, like I did the puja and people know the pujas, like how they're doing. And also like I'm really impressed with this Mumbai Ganesh ka bithate hai na. So I saw some robotic things also like they are doing now. So the same thing I felt, okay, if we are like a lot of people, I think in Tallur also use this karmanyema adhikaraste mahapadeshu kadachana. You have to do work, but don't think about the result. So if you are thinking about the priest, like if he is doing only the work in the temple, if he want to do only the work, not the politics or not the, like if otherwise like he need the money, जो उधर जो पैसा डालता है वो उसके पास होना चाहिए, like he expecting something, no? When people are going some into the temple, you are expecting something. Oh, they do, ye do. So I felt, okay, we can replace the machine into the temple. Then what happens? Maybe the machine never expect from anyone. So it will do what it can. So maybe it will get enlightenment in like later. So again, it can be a like more artificial intelligence idea. But if you just imagine, like my idea is a kind of like techno temple. Like the temple is in the completely technology. Technology is the god. So the like if the priest is become like machine, so it can like do like it can reach the as soon as possible to enlightenment. So I produced this machine and I added the 5 act like how घंटी बजाना, फूल चढ़ाना, दूध चढ़ाना and कुमकुम हल्दी ये सब चढ़ाना, आरती उतारना, ये सबको मैं mechanism के साथ like I did. And so this is how like I think you can see the images how it like blowing just with the simple mechanism, it's throwing the haldi and kumkuma. But again, the one funny thing happened, like the haldi and kumkuma, when it's mixed, it's become orange. So again, the same problem. And at the same time, the in between one white powder is there. It's called yubhuti. I think in South, like people are using in head for a yubhuti is called.
Basma.
So it's a white powder. So
Yeah, basma we call basma.
yeah, basma. Yeah, exactly, basma. But again, the basma have the content of this calcium. No?
Yeah.
So when you mix calcium and the haldi, it will become red. So this is how it works. Because if you want to make kumkum, you have to use haldi. So उसमें स्फटिक और calcium, नींबू ये सब डाल के, I think you people know when खाना गिर गया उसके ऊपर हम सोप से क्लीन कर रहे हैं. So then it's first it become red. So क्या हो गया अचानक से ऐसा लग जाता है. So it is.
No, haldi plus lime also makes
yeah,
that.
haldi plus lime also. Yeah, because this powder have lime quality. I don't know how it came. So but it happened in the like spontaneous way. So I felt, oh wow, it's nice. And also last year B.V. Suresh used that kind of idea in the Binale. I think you know. The one machine is turning, one side is he put the lime and another one side he put the haldi. It's mixing and it's becoming like orange in the same idea. So this is the same machine, like it's called prayer machine. So it have like I will show you the like how it working, like how it's throwing all these images. So then later I will show like one video of this. This is again Ganti, like with the tal and everything is controlled with the like Arduinos. Like every 15 minutes, the whole circle is changing. So every 15 minutes in the like gallery, the puja is happening. So gallery for us is the big temple. So the artist is the priest now. So this is the flower. Because this show happened in the France, Nice, so that's why udhar full milna mushkil hai every day. So that's why I thought like very plastic flowers, like it's made out of like cotton and plastics. So again, this is milk. Every day they are changing the milk. So yeah, this is Aarti, the candle. Yeah, I will come with this machine in I think I left to. Yeah, people want to see all the machine, like how it works, then maybe I can show. Otherwise, I will show with one like this act.
Aishwaryan is asking, do you get any donation in it?
Donation. Yeah, later I felt like if I do like one small box, if you are putting the coin, then the puja will happen. Maybe I could have earned the money. So, but maybe later in India we can think about this. Yeah, this is the same act. Like again, if you want to see the Ganti also, then maybe I can show or ask this. Yeah, so again, this work is called Chamara Seva. Like again, this word is also very like kind of like chamar and all this idea. So I think in Gurudwara, even in Hindu temple, also a lot of people they used to like as a fan use karte hain. Like this is called chamara because the like
Nilesh,
huh?
it's a question like how is it circulating the flour milk and all?
Circulating means I'm not getting
The
Oh.
machinery, yes.
Machine before this one, the one which you showed,
Huh?
that milk and all, you know, it gets circulated. How the machinery works is, I think, what she is asking. Prajakta, you want to ask?
Yeah. Okay, no problem. So it means like in this, no?
Yeah, the machine. Yeah, the prayer machine.
Yeah, this is the Saranide, no? I think in every RO they have this equipment. When the power will come, the wall will get open. So ऊपर का जो part है ना, so this pot filled with milk every day. So it will drop like according to like how I program. So just like I programmed according to like 4 second, 5 second, then the 5 second में एक बार दूध गिरेगा, then it will get off. So again 15 minutes के बाद दूध गिरेगा. So this milk will like they will like again throw. So इस नीचे जो pot है इसके अंदर होगा. So and this flower, the people have to, at least when you are going temple, you have to like carry flower, no? So in the down, like you have to take the flower and you have to put it in the top of this container. So the container will like again it will like rotate and it will like throw the flowers. So this how this again the have one small like interaction with the audience. So if anybody wants to like pray or anybody wants to like submit the flower, then maybe you can take the flower from the bottom and you have to put it top, and it will like again it will throw like down. So जो lake का water को वापस lake में डाल दो ऐसा, like it's a kind of rotation like again. So and this is candle, like it will like stay more than like show is open from 2 to 6. So that's why 1 or 2 candle the like who are the galleries, so they will arrange this. Like the problem is like for everyone, like my work is have all these fucking things. So you have to always pour the milk. So if you lose like milk there, then next day the whole gallery will smells. So it's a very like very creepy thing, but you have to accept. So this is again, I started telling like this is the, again, I think here you can see the car wiper, like how you can work with this. So this I changed in the mechanism and I used different material and I produce. In front of the prayer machine, this machine I displayed. So I will show you the video, then maybe I think we are 6:05. So maybe if we getting bored, then maybe we can stop. Huh?
No, we have time.
We started late, 5 minutes later. No?
Yeah. It's fine, 5-10 minutes, fine.
Yeah, this is how it works in Quark.
Shailesh, I want to ask you one thing. How did you install this thing? Like, did you plan it, or somebody is helping you to install this thing, or you're doing it yourself?
Yeah, I think I can honestly say like I think last time like Bali, no, Baliga, Mahesh Baliga. He's one of like great teacher. I think it's the
Okay.
Today's Teacher's Day.
My first display he helped in Baroda. So I got the best display award. After that, I took the chance to like install these things. So I made the plan, but this show, I think I have one big image somehow. I will see like if I have all the images in one shot. So I called him from the France and I told like I installed like this. Is it okay? And he told like okay, like you can remove 1 or 2 of these pieces. So I remove somehow like then because this gallery is very tricky gallery. It's a completely white cube. So I don't know. I think you can see this now. No. So in the left corner, all the page turner machine. So here how I installed, the center is the mixed with the lotus and the like it's called Sahasrara, and the left corner is again the puja machine. In front of that the Chamara Seva, and right side all collection of this Brahminical object. In my home, like we have a lot of Brahmin like object, like we call Brahmin object, because till now like it's forbidden, no, like you can't enter the Brahmin house. It's the completely idea is like the last Brahmin show idea is like you are entering the Brahmin house. So first you can see the Brahmin childhood. He's the like studying and whatever. Then you can enter into his kitchen, like in the left, in the right corner, like you can see objects, like which kind of object, plates and whatever, like who are all using. But it's from like very ancient time because it's kind of antique. And the left corner is called Ishanya, like where the god they will install. In the whole like Vastu Shastra and all these, there is the Ishanya corner have to be a god. So that's why I installed the prayer machine in the Ishanya corner. So I went there and I am just looking the Vastu of this gallery and I am installing the artwork as it is like in the spiritual format. So in front of that and in the left, in front of this puja machine, there is another one big image of the the crematorium. So that like clicked by my another friend. So this whole idea is like I decided how I want to display. So then I modified with Balika. So he can like he know like how child can think when you are displaying, because for us like in the studio the artwork is like 50% and after 50% when it's installed in front of the people, because you have to get that ambience. Also, I work with BB Suresh, so that's why the installing is like not that much difficult now, because BB Suresh work is always, he talks about the ambience, like how it looks when you enter the studio, the sound and the object and the light, everything it matters. So I worked and I installed his show for like 3 times in the only one show in 3 different places. So I got some certain kind of like idea. So the another idea is like just I will put one nail. If it looks nice, then we'll keep the second nail. So otherwise we'll remove one nail and we'll patch up the paint. This is how I work. So it's nothing to do with like plan or something. It's again, it's the kind of spontaneous, but you have to think little bit before like how it can be. Because what happens, this is the sculpture, at the same time you have painting and the machines are noisy, so it can be lost in the space. But this display also like the niche, like it's a very nice space. So in the contemporary gallery here, that people like also they have art institution. The teachers told me, like after 15 years, we are seeing like really well prepared show. It's installed in the very 7 days. Like only we took 7 days to install everything in the proper way. So I'm happy like this came out very well. I don't know next time what happens. So just it's a spontaneous thing. So I think we lost again. So this is another work. The sculpture is called the Sahasra Dara. So again, I am talking about this water, the pilgrimage, like Amarnatha Yatra ka jo idea hai. So here I made the wax lotus, 1000 wax lotus. So people have to come and they have to put this wax lotus in the hot panel, and it will drop. I think you can see it is dropping and it is creating linga. I think the Amarnatha is also like that, no? The ice will drip and it will create the structure of linga, the god. So people are going to see that. So the same idea, just I turned. The wax lotus is like deconstructing and it making the linga structure. So this is the installation, like how I installed. That's it. And this is the drawing for that wax lotus, the Sahasradhara work. So this is how the drawings are. Like I think you can see. I think you can. Some lot of time I will take some like small reference from the Renaissance painting. I think Klimt and all these people, because neorealism is always talks about all these kind of ideas. So yeah, this is the drawings like how I made before. Yeah, I think this is the last image of this like death, after the death, how the like Brahminical people will do. So this last Brahmin has also this image with the big image, and I collected a lot of sticks because we have one culture also, like the people, like when you are getting old, people will start collecting the sticks uh, according to their hand, like this to this, because for his last, like उसके जो डेथ के बाद उस लकड़ी से उसको बर्न होगा. So it means like you are going to die, and you are started collecting the sticks for your like last day. So this is the idea. So I started collecting the stick for my last ideas, but so I installed this. And also this is again I can refer this Joseph Kunst's work, the chair and chair image and chair definition, and at the same time image and image idea, and at the same time the how I display these sticks.
3 chair, 1 chair, no? 3
Yeah.
chair, 1 chair.
Yeah, 3 chair, 1 chair.
Yeah.
Yeah, the same work. So that's again like we talked with Mahesh Baliga and we exchanged this idea.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think this is again my childhood story. I joined 4th standard, so I rusticated from the school because of I made 2 Muslim friends. Till now, I don't know where they are. Their name is called Abdul Munaf and Abdul Farooq. The same image I just imagined and I displayed, and I used this image in my last Brahmin show. So this is again story from my father. My father always told, "Tere ko jani, like holy thread dalenge, though one day you will put that into the dog." Like he told like 10 years back when I am studying Sanskrit. So I tried now. So now I'm like, this is in the 90 days performance. Every day I put one holy thread, like jani. After the 90 days, I removed everything and I put it into the sculpture of the dog. So I displayed this like again the video have that 90 days, like I'm making rituals, I'm putting jani, and then again I'm like putting into the dog. Yeah, so maybe we'll stop this here because again this is another drawing series. Like this is not that much important. Like maybe we can if we can, like if anybody have question we can talk. Otherwise we'll stop here.
Shailesh, probably 5 or 6 of your drawings you can show, and after that you can stop. Then
Yeah.
people get an idea.
Yeah, okay. This is the like basic drawings. If I am not making machine, then I will do drawings. This is called Eclipse 2019. So 2019 we have two eclipse because the sun and moon both happened, and at the same time the Kashmir eclipse also happened. So the 3 eclipse. So that's why I called this is the Grahan. So this is how I like I'm like obsessed with this map and atlas and all this, and I manipulated if in case just imagine the word atlas can be a Karela Vanjaya. So that's how like, the drawings have. So this is the watermelon, and this is again the hanging the word and cutting the map. So I think you can imagine like how the map. It's all collages. Yeah, this is a new series. I'm like playing with some origamis. So because origami is again the maths, so that's why I started like making origamis with the map and just making animals and making drawings. So this is this origami series. Because I felt like making this collage for me, that this origami has helped me to like it give that kind of uh, like satisfaction, because you have to be sure when you are making machine, you have to be sure, otherwise it can't do that. So this again this origami is also like that. If you are folding in a proper way, then maybe the object will come in the proper way, otherwise it looks completely different. So I started learning the origamis, like how it works. Yeah, I think this is the last image also. So if we want to like see the video of this lotus, then maybe I will show end with this video, and this is the end video. We left one video. Yes, thank you. I'm sorry for like taking excess time of this.
That's fine.
Can I stop sharing?
Yeah, please. I think Prajakta had a question in the start which we missed.
Okay.
You want to ask, Prajakta?
Yes. Hi, Shailesh.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Prajakta, and it was a wonderful presentation. Thank you so much. I just wanted to ask about the first work you showed about making the thread. So, how long you were working on it? And
Taking the
to
thread,
get,
the first work.
yeah,
Yeah,
so that
that's
was the first.
Yeah, it's the 8 days performance because what happened in our college, we organized one national camp for all the students, like from all the colleges. We invite the students. So in that camp, like goes always 8 days. So I thought like in the sometime like we invite some people to like present their work and the like for workshop. The last year, like last year, I think Mahesh Balika went there to how to do casing and all this. So before that, this was the like cotton. The theme is like just cotton. That is the surgical cotton. So I sit it in the corner and I did 8 days performance till morning to evening the college. So I got that. That's it.
Yes, yes. And can you talk about the maybe experience of making the thread, and then you were also comparing it with the line you said. So
Yeah. So because
and just a minute, and also the last drawings which you showed, तो उसमें जो पानी का जो drawing किया था उसमें भी कुछ lines थे, तो can you elaborate maybe more on it?
Yeah, I can easily because the thing is
you.
like most of the drawings you can resembles with the like manuscript, no? Because we in the like my Sanskrit education we used to see the lot of manuscript. It's not art manuscript. Like just imagine the Ramayana, Mahabharata, this all in the manuscript also. So they have like some small images and at the same time small story behind the images. So that's how like always like I illustrate the idea of this drawing. Like I am just sitting and I'm making drawings with the lines because it's you can easily connect with the even miniature format also because it's all very small drawings. It's not big drawings. It's the before like A4 size drawings. And what I am saying in the line in the making threads, like if you are doing thread with the surgical cotton, it won't come in the like one line. It always breaks between like because there is no fiber in it. So that's why the surgical cotton is completely beaten. So that's why it will like always go cut off. So if you are like making lines, like you need certain kind of, I didn't show my another one still life work is called like just binding wire. So I took the like bunch of the binding wire and I kept it as in a still life. And I started like making drawings. Just imagine one thread in the binding wire, like it have like 100,000 meter of like circle. So then when you are cutting the thread, it means the thread is cut or line is cut. So the idea is like making thread is also like that because the like when you are using spinning wheel, that there is very few cuts in the bundle. So you have to just pull the thread and pull the cotton, and you have to again you have to give back. So then the thread will become because it's a spinning wheel. So in surgical cotton, that problem came because it don't have fiber, so that's why. So when the final thread happened, like I succeed with like making like long thread. So I called this is at least I made the line till like maybe 10 meters. So that's the only simple idea. I'm not talking about line in the sense like not like our artist. What, like exactly line and obstruction. It's not, I'm not talking that line and that obstruction. Huh? I think a line, it means maybe if we think about Nazreen Mohammadi and all this, that line is completely.
Yeah, but in your work, I thought like I was relating it with more with the meditative practice and repetition of the lines which you did. Again, the folding, what you had, a perfection and repetition and meditation. And so
true.
that's why thank you.
Thank you.
Also that Hukusaya or Hokkini, like they also use that sort of a line, like
that's
the color, the color which is.
Very,
I wanted to ask you, how your family respond to your work?
My father came my first show, and I have that image. Like he just like puts the hand in hand, and he's sitting in the corner. So I thought, okay, because in my family we don't know exactly what art is, like what the contemporary art is. So once I told like I'm doing all this stuff, he felt okay. I am like studying art. It means like I'm studying like writing calligraphy and decorating the like shadi ke decoration and mandap banana. Like he felt that. That's why like he felt okay. So when he came to like see all this, like he's doing something because he can't say anything because I studied what he said. I studied Sanskrit, then I like left the Sanskrit and I came the art field. So he's okay with what I am doing, but he can't understand also.
But more than your father, I felt your mom is in trouble because religion work in a fear, like they create a fear out of God or whatever, and then it works. So you are doing last rite also in a show, so she may had a lot of issue, like because it's like it's I can understand, like in some sort of a.
But for me, because the one good thing is we don't have any internet access and no images. My mother never see any art.
That's great.
And she never traveled also. Till now she didn't like stepped in the train. So she's in home. And she, if we tell her like you have to come, then she will tell, nahi mere ko udhar khana nahi jamega. So no problem.
It's good for you.
So she feels okay, my beta kuch kar raha hai.
So how do you arrive into this kinetic work? What actually felt that like what actually makes you to do? Because it's a there are most of the time we are dealing with sculpture in a very conventional manner or painting in a different thing. But what actually makes you that like if something is moving really makes you what do you call that?
For me, like it's a kind of curiosity, that's it. Because if you see some motors, so you feel like you have to open this because it has something in it. Because it's a kind of just like motion is always the round. In all the machines, like motion is always round. So you have to bifurcate the motion in a very different way. Like you have to like cut the thing, then you have to change the like center. That's it. So idea is like it's a kind of like I never seen the machine, so that's why I started doing machine. I started doing machine, so I started thinking about the machine, how it works. So when I started thinking about the machine, then I started thinking to control the machine. Because earlier, like I used to use all these like already existed machine. Then later, just you can see the like page turner. I used all the mechanisms like all the controllers. So if you're using controllers, then you have to write the program and you have to like work.
So which come first, the machine or the You know, the
Drawing.
drawing. Okay. You make a drawing. Yeah.
Yeah, drawing will come first, and
Hmm.
at the same time, machine idea. So if you see the object, then you see like you click, okay, I can like manipulate this. Just imagine recently I'm doing some work. I posted in the Instagram. It's called like Lati, like sugar cane. So I saw the RSS Lati. I felt okay, it looks like sugar cane. So then I prepared. I made the drawing, and at the same time I did the sculpture. So I did another one sculpture. It's called like the walking shoes. So I thought like shoe is like just walking, like the machine. Like I didn't show it. So
Yeah. You haven't showed that work. Like that's very
yeah,
good.
I didn't show that work.
That's a very good work. Like continuous motion. Yeah.
Yeah. So just recently I did, and I don't have very good documentation, and I'm just preparing that self because I'm thinking like it's a kind of queue. I'm not talking about the parade and everything. Like you can see in front of the temple there is a queue. So that system and at the same time parade also like makes the similar.
Very manual move. You know. Like,
manual and rhythm. So the machine, again how the Prajakta is told, that kind of like spiritual engaging. At the same time, that spirituality have that monotonous. Machines also have that monotony, but it never says. Just imagine that always rotates.
Yeah.
Even priest every time like he do same things. So that same monotony like inspired me in the both, like priest and the machine. And human and machine is the both same, no? Like it's a kind of our life is totally now the complete mechanical way, no? So 90% like we lost all these sensitivities and all these ideas. It just we are doing because we want to do that. So, like it's a kind of like just monotonous ideas. Like all these drawings also same. Like you can see like 30-40 drawings. Like my lot of friends say, how you produce all these, like this much works? Why you are producing this much? Like it's not producing, man. It's the kind of monotony I want to break. Just I want to like just throw, like do drawing, like just do drawing. So I want to like break earlier drawing and I want to do new drawing. So that's why this monotony came in the idea. So the machine also has the same monotony. That's why the same similar thought. That's it.
And also Shailesh, I mean, there is a monotony what even I was talking about, and also like it has got a what you are talking about, there is a contradiction always. Like you're talking about spirituality, the same time you're talking about producing something, like making something, producing material. So I think that is really an interesting part of your work, because if someone is using, even if I want to make one work in orange, but every time I am questioning myself whether I should use orange or not. But I think that question will not come in your work, because your work is getting support with technicality, like not technicality, but maybe, a scientific approach. As you mentioned, red or go yellow, then orange. So there is always a contradiction between science and ritual and mechanism and like materialistic things and spirituality. So all, so one can't trap you in any this thing. So that is I think very nice point of one can see. Yeah.
The question in the chat, Shailesh. Arun Dev,
And also Deepika asked something.
I think she just made a sentence, a message only, right? Is that a question?
Okay.
I'm not getting your question, Arun Dev. Like, what is like what is the positive here or negative here? I think the positivity and negativity is like it's in our perspective. I think. I think I'm much like when I'm doing the show, like when I'm doing the work, I show with my Guruji. I think like I will say, oh, just see, like I am doing this because like you people told this, and I feel this is just questioning, and it's the decoding. This is not like, it's not like abusing the religion or following the religion. It's just like decoding the religion. It can be a, like, one day it can be a, like, if, like it's completely wrong or it's completely right. We don't know. I am not like categorizing myself as like in a very like activist manner. I am portraying myself as in a just the curious manner. Okay, this religion has some curiosity. I think you can see just the Chamara work is talking about the Sikh religion, and you can think about the Page Turner. It's talk about the Muslim, and when you see the puja machine, it's talk about again Hindu. So there is no like particular sense of religion. Okay, I am like target. I am from the Brahmin, and I am doing the like I am questioning the Brahminical like act or something like that. I'm just like decoding the idea of this whole religion, what exactly religion is. Because in Sanskrit, in Dharma Shastra, I think the Dharma is called something else. Dharma is called state of mind. But now the Dharma is called the religion, no? So it means like we have already break the idea of like what exact it is. So it means like you can see like if you are going to like listen some like Muslims people, like I have a lot of Muslim friends, so they always say कुरान में ये कहा गया है, मगर लोगों ने ये सोचते हैं ऐसा बोल दिया है. So this always misleading thing happened in the very like very long time. So that's why what I'm thinking like, okay, like why I am curious about all this religion, because I was there for 14 years and I just did the act. Now I came out and I started thinking like, okay, what I studied. Because a lot of time what happens, like when you are there, you don't feel you are like wasting the time. When you come out, then you will start, oh, मैंने तो 15 साल waste कर लिया यार. So then after 5 years, then you feel, okay, मैंने 15 साल waste नहीं किया, क्योंकि 15 साल हमने question नहीं किया, 15 साल हमने decode नहीं किया. So that's why I started decoding the idea of this religion, whatever it is, the mechanical things. So that monotony को हम एकदम से decode करना शुरू करेंगे, then you will get the real motion. Okay, this is like this. If in case if you are seeing the text, you can't understand. When you are seeing the like how the, just imagine the this tantric art, the symbolism and this mandalas and everything. So that came first. People don't understand what is that. Then the figurative came. That's okay. I think in Kerala they have particular temples they call Darpana Puja. There is no god sculpture. There is one mirror kind of sculpture is there.
Yeah.
It means there is some god, but it's a mirror. So it means you have to look in like yourself. So, but people didn't understand. Okay, chalo ye Sabrimala ka temple tha, so usme hum Ayyappa ko hi bitaenge. So then they make the sculpture of the god, because when you are decoding this, you can go like, my idea is already the figurative, like we are in the figurative world. So if you are going back, if I am decoding this puja, then maybe I can reach the abstraction. I don't know exactly, but that time succeed, because when we all know this prayer machine, but I installed this machine in the France. They don't know what exactly it is. For them, this is completely abstraction. They felt okay, either as a doodh gir raha hai, either phool gir raha hai. Wow, like it's completely abstract for them, because their puja is completely different. No? So for negative and positive also have this kind of like sense, but in power, negative and positive is perfect. But in the sense, positive and negative is completely according to us. Just imagine, for me, the Mysore pak is like very good. For sugar patient, the Mysore pak is like, oh no, it's bad. So this is a positive and good, negative
Yeah.
is the same idea.
Shailesh, hi Shailesh.
Hi.
Yeah, Shinod here.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, very interesting your work. I see this. Especially that in prayer mission.
Huh?
Yeah, prayer mission is very, you kind of satiric attack, kind of whatever you say, whatever you studied or in your life, you want to throw whatever the, the situation now in Saffron or something like that.
Yeah.
So maybe this is now it is very relevant in, the machine, whatever you made it.
Yeah.
Now it is the coronavirus and pandemic situation. The people are, searching God, or they now they didn't get. And now you invented this machine. Maybe you can, sell it or somebody to, this is very interesting in your all.
Yeah.
It is
This
very
again
interesting.
another marketing ideas.
That's good. And especially another thing that the tongue one also very, kind of satiric attack. It is, I couldn't see in, recently that kind of work. It is very interesting work. So I can say it is fantastic.
Yeah, thank you.
So it is nice, presentation, and your work also very interesting. Keep it and continue your work. This kind of,
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shailesh, actually, though you talked about the religious rituals, I think maybe inadvertently you have given one more message about another ritual called education. Because like there are a lot of people who study all these things about machines and technology and all those things, and they don't understand ABCD of this. If you give to them a wiper machine, they won't even think about how can a wiper to be converted into a different kind of stuff and all.
Yeah.
So actually what you are also telling is what you are learning in school and college is just a ritual, does not mean anything. The real transformation or real knowledge has to come from within, right?
Yeah.
So if you take it to the Hindu kind of mythological stuff, like that is what was supposed to be the Upanishad concept, right? You transform a human being from within. So that is why they tell that transformation can be enlightening. And then some people came and told, for the transformation to happen, we will devise a process. You tell this 3 times or do this ritual, then the transformation can happening. I think you are pointing your gun towards that by telling if there are some mantras, it can be in Hindu or in any of the religion, if that some mantras in certain sequence, if that comes in air, if that can change, then a machine can do it better than you, right?
Yeah,
or probably now there are people are inventing new science by telling this mantra means this and this word comes before that and that invokes air and this invokes fire and because of that this will change. Then a machine can do better than this, and then as you rightly asked, then a machine will be more enlightened. That's human, right? Machine should get more enlightenment. So that actually you have just hit it on the nail, the futility of people taking the essence away from the original concepts by making it process, rituals, and all those things. And I don't think it need to be an attack on religion or something. It is just a direction. I think there was big groups even in the Hindutva, a set of people who were telling that this ritualism-based stuff is a attempt by a section of people to guard power. The essence lies in the concept. So when each person imbibes that concept and transforms within, that is the purpose of it. And why they tell the original concept would have been great, because the concept is great. So you would have had a good brain behind that who would have originally thought, like in every religion. Otherwise, a very evil mind cannot come up with such great ideas. Right? So that I think even by proving that without going to official schooling and official professional education, one can do all these kind of machines and all. I think you hit with one shot, you kill 2 birds. That a ritual called education and a ritual called religion. Congrats, super.
Yeah. Great.
The problem is, like my one friend always says, like just imagine if you are dialing the number in the mobile, it will directly go to like who you want to talk with the number. Then just imagine if you are calling like some god, like it not goes this. It means the server is some problem there, no? So you can't like, otherwise you can't tune, because another thing the Upanishad says, the Veda is called Shruti. It's not written, it's listened. Shruti means listened. So it means it's all some like sound or cosmic energy or something. Yeah. But till now we don't have proper like tuner for our eyes. So that's why we are reading the Vedas. So just imagine the good artist or bad artist is not exist, but the artist can tune their like thought in the particular manner. That's why they can like create that kind of ambience in the painting or in the sculpture, whatever. So maybe our tuner is not good, or maybe our like antenna is not good to like, okay, if I am calling Satish, then you are like, you can see me. Like if I am calling something else, then why you are going to see us? You are not going to see us, no? So you feel, okay, somebody is calling someone.
Yeah.
So the idea is like, we have to like understand from the basic.
Yeah. Thanks.
Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Jananam, even Harsha did, no? Something recently.
Yeah, it's the same. Again, the
Yeah,
long painting, this big painting, no?
yeah.
The stroke.
Yeah, Shankaracharya.
Brahmanda one. Yeah. Because that have that kind of, because it's called the Bija Vriksha Nyaya. Just imagine the one seed, when you're putting into the ground, that seed will become 1,000 seeds. So it means the circle is completed. Seed is becoming seed. It's called Bija Vriksha Nyaya. So, but we are human. When we are born, like we are pure human. No? So, but in the end, like we are not going to be a pure human. Like we are correct. So the idea is the circle is always the problem. So the like when you see this idea, so this line or like
even the machine is everywhere now. Like even recently I went to my home. My mother is playing a machine, a kind of a plugging something, and it's chant the Gayatri Mantra or something.
Yeah, of course.
I don't know what's a point, and also you can change that. Like there are 2-3 mantras there, so you can change that. Also in Kerala there are small temples. They have this drum playing machine.
Yeah. I think Tallur used in the first like that
Also,
is the first machine.
Sandalwood creating this one. Also there is a machine in temples.
Okay, I think. So that drum beat is the first machine they introduced in the temple, because you can like see the idea, because the drum beat is always made by the other caste people. There is a lot of caste problem is there. I think I feel particular caste and particular people are like always comes to the temple to beat the. Even a lot of Kerala temple till now have that kind of idea. But maybe just imagine you are replacing the machine. So then whole the caste system is like, okay, you are not allowed again. So the machine is game. Then just imagine you are like installing the prayer machine in the temple. Then you can tell the like. Then you can get the accessibility more, I think, no? So if like you are not worried, क्योंकि वो एक कहावत है, भगवान दे दिया तो भी पुजारी नहीं देगा. भगवान ने दे दिया तो भी पुजारी नहीं देगा. So like
see the chat also, Shailesh.
Huh?
Chat में कुछ.
Very nice work, Shailesh. Lot of challenging methodological ideas inspired. Thank you, Kumar Swami. Thank you.
Yeah. I like your that installation. Really excellent presentation, Shailesh, and lot of new ideas. I came to know from your work. Seriously, I know I do
like Sujit and Satish. I think Sujit suddenly sent me the message, and this is my actual first presentation.
Okay.
So I never did.
Oh, really?
I don't know that. And you said well, a very good explanation also. What Satish was asking you have explained very well. Actually, that was nice. Thank you so much. Really. Yeah.
Yeah, spoke well.
Thank you, everyone, and thank you for Satish and Sujit for organizing this. And thank you.
Sabin had a question, Shailesh?
Sabin, one more question, I guess.
Sabin made a statement, then last question. I think Sabin wants to know his future from you. Yeah, Sabin?
Yeah, through astrology.
Yeah, through astrology.
Yes, exactly. Do you have any plan? Further plan to do some kind of
Astrologer.
astrological? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Of course, yeah. Everyone can ask.
Now
Yeah.
I never
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
I never got to astrology, but astrology you will get a lot of softwares. You just have to like give your
Date of birth and all.
database and
Yeah.
according.
No,
Yes.
it's not. I'm just asking about like I can see some hint like your recent drawings, your drawings, latest drawings. You're connecting some like it's going to beyond the world, beyond the globe.
Maybe
Something space.
I'm just
Yeah.
my
It's moving to
honestly, that
space,
new work I produce is called Temple Door. Again, this statement you have to cancel, like cut if you are posting somewhere. So the Temple Door I produced work, like I'm working on it. Like I made the sensor, so it's gender-based sensor. Like if you like the door is installed in the wall, like when you're going in front of the door, like the women's, then door will open. It's the sensor. I'm making the gender-based sensor, but I'm not succeeded. But
Yeah, actually,
maybe
actually.
Satish and everyone got the idea of like behind the temple door. And another one, I started looking into the expression of the machine. So I'm thinking about the Bharata's Navarasas, because every machine have their own expressions. So then maybe this Rasanubhava, whatever we are calling aesthetics and Rasanubhava, so that Rasanubhava will come when you are seeing the machine. So then maybe it can be a possible, I think if you are seeing wood cutting machine, so you can get afraid, sometime. So, but that rasa have to come properly in the machine. So I'm searching that kind of machine. We'll see. Like it's all ideas again. So,
Yeah. Have you seen Tim Hawkinson's work? You might have, no? Tim Hawkinson.
Yeah.
You may get a lot of idea from that, right? Like he's
definitely.
Yeah, Hawkinson.
For us, like now the shit machine and all these machines are like, oh,
yeah, he's amazing.
exactly make the shit. Like
Yeah,
when you give the like meat, like after 6 hours, the machine will give
the
proper
actual
shape, the texture and with the smell, and with the color. It's awesome machine. It's called shit machine.
Yeah, also he makes sounds from the very
very basic.
In that way, why your machines are not into sound? I think somewhere I'm missing that part in your work. Like
I think I showed that footwork, no, like recent. That's all talking about the shoe, walking shoe, or a sound.
Yeah, there is a sound. Yeah, there is.
Now I started using.
Yeah, because that is one thing is missing. Even in the first one, the light this thing lamp one.
Yeah.
I think would have sound play a little more. Some other way.
So
because
now I'm just like searching the sounds.
Yeah.
For this work.
Okay.
Hello, Sailesh. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Arun there. Yeah.
I'm Arun.
Hi, Arun.
I came in the middle, so I couldn't, comprehend what you were doing. So that created a confusion.
Which one?
Am I audible? I mean, I came.
No, he's asked a question recently. Like, yeah,
I came in the middle, so I couldn't, realize what you were doing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I think automation is not something limited only to machines, but I also know what exactly to say now after seeing your work, right? Or we say good morning or good night. It's sort of automated, right?
Yeah.
Coming from, deep down.
Yeah.
So we are also clinging on to such automated ideas, every now and then. The words that we use, I don't really mean that, but I know that what to say immediately.
Yeah.
It's part of it, and I guess in that sense, your works are pretty good, and the machines also creates a kind of strangeness in like there is an eerie strangeness.
I'm not opposing the machines also, because the machines has like kind of real invention, so that energy and I think if now the mechanism And these automations are like, because like this, before that I went to like the CNC machine makers for making this puja machine. So it costed me like 3.5 lakhs. So that's why I stopped like asking these people. But now I did the machine. Like earlier I thought, okay, I will go and I will ask them to create the exact automation machines. But again, like it's a real invention of like something like how energy can transform in the physical form. No, like how electricity came in the world, like everything changed. Like yesterday I was talking with the welder, like he told, ये जो power आने के बाद ना सब काम बदल गए. Yeah, of course, like yeah, of course, ना. Like just imagine like pump or welding. Like if in case there is no welding, there is no computer, no, like if in case power nahi tha, so then like we could have like it's completely different world. I think like मेरा मम्मी पापा जैसा लगता था. Like they are now without the power. Like they have power, willpower.
Remaining others, any questions?
And I feel there is nothing wrong with religion. There is nothing wrong with any political system. The problem is with the human system, right? I guess that's what the change should happen.
It's absolutely right. And also we don't know the main core system, no? So we don't know. We just always read the criticisms. We never read the main text. Like if you like really read the Marx, then you will get the real Marx, what exactly he said. So Marx को किसी ने translate करके उसने उसका मसाला डाला. This kind of Chinese samosa, you know, Baroda will get Chinese samosa. The samosa filled with the noodles. Yeah, of course, it's a different taste, but you can imagine like how like okay samosa or like how Chinese samosa can it work? Like it's 99 dosa banate hai na, like okay, like how cheese dosa, pizza dosa, everything is came in the like Domino's are doing like pizza with paneer. So it's how the society like accept.
Okay. Any further questions? Anyone?
I think it's
over. No, I think.
Yeah.
Sorry for everyone.
Tired. No, this is common here. This is common. It's not nothing new. we end up in 7 o'clock.
It's our ritual, Shailesh.
Yeah. 1 hour, yeah.
No,
2 hours.
That
Actually.
session was awesome, but he also finished in proper time. No? So,
When I approach people, I always say that it's just an hour deal. So you just come and do it and
yeah, but I told no, I am not able to like talk. I'm a bit shy.
No, it's
I felt okay, like we can talk.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
You can.
So thank you very much, everyone. Sujit, what's your time?
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Somebody was asking something? Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Shailesh.
Bye.
See you next Saturday.
Yeah.
See you.
Thank you, Shailesh. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Satish and Sujit.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye. Take care.